What's up, guys? Colin here for Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Otterbox Defender for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. I found a random Best Buy gift card in a drawer, and I was like, oh, I'm just going to pick one of these up. I know everybody likes to take a look at these. Pretty popular videos when these come out for new devices. So this is the Defender Pro. You can tell it's the Pro with the lines. It doesn't really have any difference other, over the regular Defender. Some places sell the Pro, some places sell the regular one. I don't get why, but I've been using this on my S26 Ultra for a few days now, and I am going to have to replace this screen protector that I was using because the Otterbox Defender did peel up the bottom edge down here. So not friendly with all screen protectors. This is the Whitestone Dome screen protector on here. I'm going to try a different one and hope the edge is just a little bit bigger and that this frame won't pull it off. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on. I just took it off for the video just because everybody likes to see these installed. So the back half just goes on, front half snaps on. It will only go on one way. The latches only line up in one orientation, so snap that on, of course. And then grab the back piece. I usually just kind of slide it in from the bottom up towards the top, and then just go around the edges and make sure all the sides are clipped on to the plastic frame, like so. And for some, you might have to kind of do it again around the volume button. If the button doesn't go into the slot correctly, it won't press down. So if you run into that, just kind of undo it right there and just pop it back on and it'll be fine. So there it is on. Right here you can kind of see it. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but right there you can kind of see where that plastic frame is pushing up on the screen protector, and it's kind of messing it up all down here. It's been like that for a couple days and it hasn't like gone up anymore. So it's usable, but I don't like having screen protectors like that, looking like that. So I am going to change it. One cool thing about this case, I have a few different cases. I have the Ghost case from D-Brand. I have a couple just thin cases. And for the magnet on the Qi 2, on the thinner cases, the camera bump, because it protrudes out so much, blocks a lot of accessories, especially like battery banks and stuff like that, from sticking to it. This one being a little bit of a thicker case, there is still a edge around the side, or the camera rather, but it's not too bad. So I have my Anker Qi 2 power bank here, and it does not really affect it too much. You can see it hits it a little bit, but it does not make it to the point where it doesn't work or anything like that. So that is really cool. I think I need to charge them. There we go. I turn it on. One cool thing about the case is it does work with the Qi 2 wireless charging. I've tested this with power banks as well as on just regular my regular nightstand charger, and it does get the full 25 watts. So there you go. We got fast wireless charging there. So this case does work with that with the magnet. So that's really nice because, again, some of the thin cases I have don't even do the super fast wireless charging, which kind of sucks. So this one does do that. I've tested that. I'm able to get the full 25 watts on my Anker Qi 2 chargers, like my nightstand charger, my car charger, and all that kind of stuff. So very cool. Very protective case. Got your microphone cut out on the top there. Of course, you've got your speaker and your microphone cut out on the bottom. You've got your protected port. You can add a lanyard. It doesn't come with one, but there is a spot if you want to put a lanyard on it. And then, of course, you have your S Pen right here. Pretty easy to get out. They kind of cut out the corner right there, so you can get to that pretty well. It does not come with the holster, but they do give you a code in the box for a free one. You just go to their website and redeem it. Free holster, free shipping. I did redeem it. It takes about a week to get here. I wish they would just include them in the box, because if you order one of these cases online, on like Amazon or something, you don't get the holster. You have to go online after you get the case from, Amazon or whatever website it may be, and then order that too. So you kind of have to wait twice. or if you pick it up in the store, you then have to go online and order the rest of the case that you used to get everything like that in the box. So kind of sucks there, but it is the Otterbox Defender. They've been doing that for a while now, but it is a good protective case if you need that extra protection. And I'm very happy to see that it is working very well with the Qi 2, 25-watt wireless charging. I wasn't really expecting it to charge that fast, being a thicker case like this, when some of the other cases, for whatever reason, don't do that either. So very happy to see that. So far, a very good case. I just need to find a screen protector that works a little better with it and is more case friendly than the Whitestone one. So I'm going to try out a couple different ones and see what works the best for me. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.